Kings back here with another video. And today I sold my bad team lineup, and we're gonna see how I go from 0K to see how much I have just from selling 10 elite players, and we'll just see the money rolling in. And after, we'll just see if it's a good coin making method, because players will go cheap, so it's pretty much like investing. So yeah, we'll just see 0K, and here it is, guys, to 250K. I was expecting something around that. That is good, guys. That's pretty good. And right now, I'm gonna do a large quick sell and a pro pack, and I'll open a legends pack too. So yeah, start out with the pro pack. Yeah, just because I have a bronze wide receiver in, so yeah. So we get any wide receiver, then yeah. So yeah, there's that. So now we have an 83 offense. Back into our large quick sell. Hopefully we can get something good in this, and 1K. But now we will go open what I think it's a legends pack. Yeah, legends pack. So here is this, and wide receiver Eddie Royale. Oh, that was terrible. And we get a Marshall Faulk. Wait, did he have a live event? I think he did. I think he had a live event too. Oh, that is terrible, guys. Oof. That is bad. Get a 1K in the large quick sell, and then that Marshall Faulk. See how much he goes for. Okay, back, guys. Sorry about that. I got interrupted. But yeah, bad. He had a live event. 2,500 coins. We didn't even pull an elite. So that sucks, guys. That absolutely sucks. Let me just go. Yeah, but that was me going from 0K to 250K and buying a legend pack. That was not worth it at all. But let's open a couple pro packs. Open till 100K. That's like 10. So, yeah. Keep in mind, guys, this is my bad team. So, yeah, I still have that good team. So, yeah. And I still have a couple studs on this team. Like, it's not all completely terrible. But, yeah, a couple more to go. Hopefully, we can pull an elite after 10 pro packs. But 30K left. And, yes, we get a football Cyrus Mike Remmers. So, yeah. We'll go on with that. So 20K left-ish. So, and, oh! Yes, let's go, guys. Oh my god, we're doing that right now. Let's go. Yeah, it's right here. Players pack. No way. We get a players pack. We don't get an elite in this. It's just like not looking good so far. Holy crap. No, we don't even get an elite. I was expecting more from the players pack, but still have a couple more full packs. And Patrick Robinson, not bad. Hopefully you can pull a couple more elites. Brandon Graham, and we'll just open them now. So, last pack, and Dominique Rodgers-Cromartie is our pull. So, that was me, and, yeah, so we have a lot of players on our bench. Now, let's take a look at our team. The pull is Mike Remmers. Let's see what this does. I might sell Mike. I don't know if I'm going to sell Mike. His blocking's better. I could invest in him, in Mike, if I wanted to, because I'm not sure if he's a new one or not. No, he's in pack, so he must be a new one, so, but, yeah,